guys, this is
Jack the Railway Enthusiast.
here, and I'm down at the Forest Street level crossing in Wendouree, where I'm going to be bringing my Westinghouse hybrid bell at this crossing. So this crossing got gates in the early 1990s, around the same time as Gilly Street, up the line. So yeah, and it had two Westinghouse hybrid bells then, and then in about the late 1990s or the early 2000s, the hybrid bell on the southern side, which is the side I'm on, got replaced with a Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell. And yeah, and then in either 2008 or 2009, the crossing got Safe Trend Type 3 E-bells. And then in mid-2016, this crossing got new gate signals. So yeah, pointless upgrade as well, because the signals were in very good condition. So yeah, nothing wrong with them. But they had Westinghouse CB gate mix, but they could have just replaced the Westinghouse CB gate mix instead of the gate signals. But anyway, hope you enjoy the video.